student, this is Master Therapist. If you are new on this channel, try to subscribe to our channel, try to like our videos, share and make comment under the comment section. So today we are going to continue with our video. Now today our new lesson is fraction part 6, as we have done our previous lesson, fraction part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is what fraction part 6. So in our fraction part 6 we are going to treat what we call LCM. In the last previous lesson we have done LCM, but today we are going to revise before we proceed. So now when we say LCM, the meaning of LCM is lowest common multiple. Yes. So now I need to take you back to your basic school. Now when we talk about multiple, what do we mean? Now if you have 6, yes, if you have this as 6 and we are looking for the multiple of 6. So now the multiple of 6 are 6, yes, 12, is what? 18, 24, yeah, then 24, then we have what? We have 30, we have 36, and so on. So all these are multiple of 6. Now which one is the lowest common multiple of this 6? If you are looking for the lowest multiple of this 6, it's very easy. You can see it here. Which one is the lowest number? You know we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. So which one is the smallest number among this term of multiple of 6? You can see actually this is immediately 6. So multiple of 6 is equal to lowest multiple of 6 is equals to 6. So that means among these numbers the lowest multiple of 6 is what? Is 6. So this is, if you know this, then you are done with the half of this lesson. So when we are given an example, now let's do examples on LCM. So example 1. Now when you are given a question like this, 1/2 plus 1/3. Now you know 1/2 plus 1/3 is different from 1 plus 2, because 1 plus 2 is straightforward addition. You can just say 1 plus 2 is going to give you what? 3. But this is 1/2 or a half plus 1/3. Now when you see fraction, this is numerator, as you know, this is denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator. So what you are going to look when you are solving this kind of problem is just one thing. Now this one thing is that you are going to look at the denominators, because the denominator on this part is 2, denominator on this part is 3. So we need to find the number lowest common multiple that will enter into 2 and is going to enter into 3. This is very easy. Now the first thing you have to do is that you need to say this is, because this is even number and this is odd number. That is why I started with this example. Whenever you see even number as your denominator, you see odd number as your denominator, then you need to multiply them in order to find your LCM. So the first thing is that you draw a line like this. Now 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. Now 6 divided by 2 is going to give you what? 3. Now 6 divided by 2 is 3, then times 1 is going to give you 3, plus 6 divided by 3 is going to give you 2. Now 2 times 1 is going to give you 2. Now this is equals to 3 plus 2 is going to give you 5 over what? Over 6. Very easy. It's very easy to find the LCM of any number. Just try to If this is your LCM, divide your LCM by the denominator, then your solution, you hold it in your mind, then that solution you hold in your mind times the numerator, then is going to give you 3. Then 6 divided by 3 is going to give you 2. 2 times 1 is going to give you 2. Now 3 plus 2 is going to give you 5 over 6. And this is what? This is called a proper fraction. Now, why do you call this a proper fraction? Is because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. If you look at our previous lesson, in our previous video, I have explained proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So example number 2, 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Yes, this is very easy. Now, what is the LCM? You can see when we have the same number as our denominator, then definitely the denominator is going to be our LCM, that is 4. Now, 4 divided by 4 is going to give you 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 4 divided by 4 is going to give you 1. 1 times 1 is 1, which is equals to 1 plus 1 is going to give you 2 over what? Over our denominator, which is 4. This is also a proper fraction. Now, number 3, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Now, you can see we have both our what? Even numbers, our denominator. So, what is our LCM? Now, if we take 2, 2 divided by 2 is going to work, but 2 divided by 4 is not going to work. It's going to give you a decimal. So, you need to say our LCM is 4. Yes, because 4 divided by 2 is going to give you 2. 2 times 1 is going to give you 2, plus 4 divided by 4 is going to give you 1. 1 times 1 is going to give you 1, which is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 over what? Over 4. This is also a proper fraction. Now, what I want to tell you as a summary, that when you have A over B plus B over C, or let's say A over C. Now, when we have BC as our LCM, then you need to divide your LCM by the denominator. Then your answer, you times it by your numerator. Also, this you divide by your denominator. Then you times your answer, you times it by your numerator. This is how we find the LCM of any number, and this is very, very important to in order to understand how to find the LCM of any number. If you are given a fraction, if you want to find the LCM, you are going to follow this step that I tell you. This is Master Therapists. I hope you are going to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share and make comment under the comment section. Thank you so much.